Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to contact Maya mobile support. Here's how you can contact Maya mobile support using the Maya mobile website. The first thing you need to do is to launch your desktop browser and go to the Maya mobile website at maya.net. If you have an account, click on the login button at the top right corner and enter your mobile number and password. Once you get into the website, haven't signed in, go ahead and look for the help session, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Or you can find it at the footer, okay, where you have help center. So you can set it at footer or the help there. So let's say I want to contact and I just select contact us instead of help center. Now it takes me over here where I can just submit a request. For all technical support and billing requests, please choose your customer service for the fastest service. So just go ahead and click on that. Now use customer service for fastest response, or partnership program inquiries, partner support, or report credit card fraud. So let's say you selected this and you have more form, like more details to fill out or more forms to fill out. Now enter your email address and the subject, then enter the description. In this description box, you have to detail the nature of your problem. Detail will be expressive. You can use any of the toolbar, like any of the options in the toolbar to explore. Then a device type, select the drop down menu to select your device type so they can help you more. And your device model, you need to enter it either iPhone 14 or Samsung Galaxy S21. Just put that in. Where are you located? This is pretty much optional. It means you have to select country where you're located when submitting this request. It's optional. And then add attachment like screenshots of what the problem is exactly and what you need help with, and go ahead and click on submit to submit the form. Another way to reach out to them is to click on this chat box. Once you click on this chat icon in here, you should be able to reach out to them to, of course, chat with the chat bot or the Maya mobile AI. And that's pretty much it. So if you follow the steps, you will have successfully contacted Maya mobile support for assistance with any issues or inquiries you may have. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.